Today I'll be building a very fun and simple project that's low cost and high profit, and you don't need expensive tools or equipment to build it, and it's really easy to build and beginner friendly. So let's get started. And if you want to make this look more professional, you can also use a table saw to cut out this piece right here to make it look more professional. And then you don't need this wood, and there'll just be a slot like right here on the wood. You can also offer in different stain colors and different sizes, and you can even engrave people's names into it. There's all kinds of different ways you can customize this. So now, since it's done, I want to show you how it works. So you can definitely use a nicer piece of wood than this, but this is just for the video, so it doesn't really matter that much. So you can see it works good, and I did not edit the video or anything like that. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe for more, and you can also check out some of my other videos too.